Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD Espresso, the channel for learning to use SolidWorks simply and quickly. Go to the top plane and create a sketch. Select center point rectangle. Create a rectangle that is 100 by 150 millimeters. Now go to sheet metal features and select base flange tab. Set the thickness to 2 millimeters. And then we're going to create an edge flange. Select an edge and set its length to 20 millimeters. Then also select this other edge and change its angle to 45 degrees. Okay, now click on the corner relief feature. Then select all the edges and set the relief option to circular, giving it a 2 millimeter radius. Now let's go to the close corner feature and select the two faces to extend. We can see that these features really simplify the work a lot. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.